I created the Zach Choi-style video using AI, and I'm about to show you the exact prompt that made it, and it's completely free. So why would you want to replicate Zach Choi's style? Well, it works. He's amassed over 33 million subscribers. No talking equals binge watching, high retention. Satisfying sounds drive engagement through ASMR appeal. 2026 YouTube loves ASMR, so it's algorithm friendly, and it's very easy to replicate using AI because it's a faceless format. The prompt that I have developed to replicate Zach Choi's videos depends on the viral elements, which are extreme close-ups, no dialogue, black background, indulgent portions, vibrant colors, and satisfying sounds. So let me go ahead and show you the prompt and exactly how to use it to replicate those videos completely for free. The first step is to copy the entire prompt that I have created for you. Link to download it is provided in the show notes below. Please make sure that you copy the entire prompt as it is quite massive. Once you have copied the prompt, we're going to head over to ChatGPT. We're going to right click and paste, and then we're going to click on run. The way I have constructed this prompt is that it will ask you, what is it that you want to do? Do you want to do a specific dish, or you just want to give it one ingredient? If you select an ingredient, it will come up with a random dish. In our example, we are going to give it a specific dish, and we're going to say something like butter chicken. Let's go ahead and hit run, and then the second question comes. Now it says, now how many total scenes would you like for this video? A standard Zach Choi style video works best with 9 to 12 scenes for maximum ASMR impact and pacing. All right, let's go ahead and say that we're going to say, for example, 10, and we're going to hit run. And the final thing is, as you've seen in the introductory video, you've seen that there was a man making the first bite. So I have given you the option as well to select the gender of the man, whether you want a man or a woman, and also the ethnicity. So we're going to just say a Asian man, and we're going to hit run. The final step before generating the final script is you have a choice of selecting between text to video prompts or text to image and then image to video prompts. I have found that the first option works best if you're using a free tool like Grok to generate the videos. So let's go ahead and select one and hit run. And now you can see that we have all the 10 scenes here that we need to generate using Grok. So we're going to copy the very first one here and make sure that you copy everything from the scene. And we're going to head over to Grok. We're going to click on Imagine. And from Imagine, we're going to make sure first that you select the aspect ratio. So if you're creating shorts, you can select the 9:16 aspect ratio like so, and make sure that video is selected. Next, we're going to right click and paste, and we're going to run this prompt. And we have now the first generation. Now, with Grok, you may need to regenerate the video a couple of times until you're satisfied with the actual sequence of the items dropping on the board. Let's go ahead and copy the next one now. We're going to copy the chicken prep. So this is going to be the seasoning. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to go back to Grok, and we're just going to replace the video prompt here with the new one, and we're going to go ahead and hit run. And here is the seasoning part of the chicken. Again, you can regenerate this as many times as you want until you are satisfied with what you're seeing. Now, the next step is to copy all the scenes and regenerate them in Grok. Again, you can experiment with creating images for those. You can use VO3 if you like to generate those 9:16 aspect ratio. Now, the last step is to actually piece everything together, and this is key to creating something very similar to Choi's style. So We're going to head over to Adobe Premiere. It is my preferred video editing software, but you can use anything you want. So I have now placed the cutting scene here in the timeline. And as you can see, the speed is not exactly Choi's style. So what we need to do is fast forward this clip. To do this in Adobe Premiere, we hit R on the keyboard, and then we are going to move it so that the clip is shorter. And now you can see this is exactly the Choi style cutting, which is the fast-paced cutting that he does on his videos. Now what you need to do is you need to go back to all your videos and adjust the speed accordingly. Let's take a look here. This is the first drop from the initial scene of the video. And you can see how I fast forwarded all these scenes. Some scenes you leave them as they are. So this one, the actual massaging of the chicken cubes, I left exactly the same. A little bit fast forwarding on this one here. And the garnish, and finally the first bite. Once you do this, you'll be able to create something very similar to Zach Choi style videos, and you will be able to get the exact same effect using only AI and completely for free. I hope that you have found this video useful. Please consider subscribing and liking the video and share it where you can. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.